Okay, it took me a while to work out, but this is how you take the sliding door off a Kombi. First thing is you need to remove this cover here. It's got a couple of screws, a screw here and a screw there. I actually took this off the other day to treat it, but that lifts off. It's got a couple of screws. And that exposes the running tray here. Just careful, this can fall out now, so just when you open the door, just make sure this doesn't fall out, because as you'll see it comes out easily. So just go at the end, as far as it will go. So come back a bit, lift this bit out, and then tip it down so that the roller at the top comes out, up there. And then you bring it all the way along to the bottom, and it's just got the double roller at the bottom. Twist the door out, get this off, and it's pretty heavy, so be careful you don't drop it on its corner, but it's actually quite easy in the end, once you know how.